Today we're teaching my 14-year-old brother how to drive. And I'm really nervous. Stop! What are you doing? R.I.P.
Foot on the brake.
Rip.
I missed.
Oh my god. Left right here. This is Niles. Oh yeah, put that blinker on, girl.
It's 420.
So I just washed my car and a bird already shit on my window, so I'm really excited about that. This is where my brother wanted to park. How do you think you did?
I think I did. Oh, fantastic.
Are you sure?
Like a 10.
Oh my god. A 10?
Let's go to Starbucks. I have my phone on my card.
I guess it wasn't that bad. He wants to go to Starbucks. Do you feel accomplished?
I do.
How do you think you did?
I think I did. 10 out of 10. What are you always pointing at me? I want to go to Starbucks.
Wait, what?
Whataburger.
I'm going to Whata. If you don't live in Texas, you're missing out on Whataburger, so...
They have an Alabama too.
They have in Alabama too, and Louisiana.
How many states have Whataburger?
That's a valid question.
Okay, here is what I found.
Okay. Arizona, Arkansas, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, Mexico, Oklahoma, and of course Texas.
All those states have Whataburger?
Yeah. Arizona, Arkansas, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi.
Okay, you don't have to keep singing. I did not know that many states had Whataburger. Learn something new every day. We're at your favorite place. Oh, it's locked. Hey! Noah, hey, hello, it's me. Say hi! Hello? Okay, honestly, that was rude. When your family brings you bowling and you suck.
My frozen memories.
Hey, we're bowling today.
It's hard. Racing all these broken dreams tonight.
If I get one more gutter ball, I'll probably set a record, honestly.
Damn, Sydney. Back at it again with the bowling baby thing.
So I bowled like a 10, so that's good.